Bento. Mops. You want some? You don't want a little smoky? No. Come on.
I don't think this is the call. New fins today. Wow. It's a slightly overcast but beautiful morning out here on the North Shore. Got some waves too. It's a spot I haven't really surfed much. Definitely never on camera, so it's good to surf new spots, you know? Oh, some bombs coming through right. Hey bro, I'm trying to get waves for my YouTube channel. You think you could just let me go on a couple? Imagine I said that.
Nah. Don't they know you have lower priority?
Get out there, bro. Woo.
Nate, if you could give me 2 words to describe this session, what would it be?
Extremely unexpected.
Oh. Give me 2. Give me 2.
Jesus. Salt guy.
All over the place.
That's
2,
way
right?
too many words.
That's 2, guaranteed, bro.
All over the place.
Okay, alright. All over. All over. Yeah. Sorry, bro. I cannot count. I cannot.
I dropped surfing.
Yeah. A month ago.
Remember when you got pounded at back door?
That's probably so old. Let me use it for my feet.
No, don't, dude. Please, let me drink water. I'm thirsty.
We're about to go to the store.
So you want to drink? You want to waste this on your foot stuff? Or
This shit's
Nate's
a
thirst?
month old.
It's fine.
It's not a big animal, this guy.
It's a little bit froggy.
There we go. All things are good for the world.
Here. We could use this to rinse off our feet.
Oh, dude, I love that.
Nah. Alright, let's go mop some poke, bro.
Woo!
Good, huh?
Dude, I'm about to mop.
Ooh.
Lala special, dude.
Fuck.
Popular.
Best poke on the island.
Shout out to Morris. Bro, they do it great over there.
They better sponsor me though for doing this at Nah. I mean, is this controversial?
Oh, that's a
Oh,
that's a crime. Why are you
Oh,
doing
I don't
that?
know about that.
Hopefully we can beat traffic.
What time?
Fuck, bro. We fucking hit traffic. Show the people. Friday afternoon. Get fucked, you cunt.
Get fucked, you know.
Oh, get fucked, you cunt.
Look at this, bro. We're not in traffic anymore.
Wow.
Life is alright. Life is alright.
Keep smiling, beautiful man.
Back in traffic, bro. This shit sucks, dude.
Fuck!
I thought life sucks, bro.
No.
No, it does not.
Sure does. Oh, damn it. Comment if I'm good at surfing or not. Yeah, don't do that. Don't put that in there.
Nah, you already said it, bro. Sorry. It's going in.
God damn it.
Bro, your hair looks sick right now.
Orange guy.
Yeah, you.
Good seeing you, bro.
Thank you.
Oh,
Oh wait, I need to pay you, bro.
Alright.
Just saying.